Small letters. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ink. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. M for mobile. N for nose.